My name is Adriana. I'm in the OMT program at Pima Medical Institute.
I would just think of ophthalmology, which is our big word for eye care.
I feel like it's a best-kept secret career.
I wanted to start a career that I knew would have good benefits, that I knew would have a good backing that I could go anywhere with.
My name is Brittany Bracking. I graduated from the Ophthalmic Medical Technician program at Pima Medical. More than half our technicians that we have at our practice graduated from Pima Medical. The field of ophthalmology, it's not very widely known.
It's a way to get into your field very quickly, right? Rather than having to go to schooling for an extended period of time or maybe spending a lot of money on schooling.
It's a lot of fun, and you'll meet a lot of great people and passionate people along the way.
Having students come to us because they've heard from another student how wonderful it was really says a lot. I think that's really powerful.